In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently as of 2025. This is a straightforward process, but it requires a few steps to ensure it's done correctly. Whether you're looking to take a break from social media or you're ready to disconnect entirely, I'll walk you through the process of deleting your Snapchat account step by step. First, let's get started by opening Snapchat on your laptop. You'll need to make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. Once you have the application open, head over to your profile icon, typically located in the top corner of the screen. Clicking on this will take you to your profile page where you can see some personal details and various features connected to your account. Next, locate the account settings option. This is where you'll find all the controls related to your account management. It's important to navigate here as it holds the key to deleting your Snapchat account permanently. Scroll through the settings menu until you find an option that reads Delete My Account. Once you have located it, go ahead and click on it. Now, Snapchat will require you to verify your account. This is a crucial step designed to ensure that the person trying to delete the account is actually you. Typically, this verification process might require you to log in with your credentials or respond to a verification email or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to successfully complete this verification step. After you have verified your account, the platform will give you a choice to either pause the process or confirm your intention. To move forward with deleting your account, click the Continue button. This lets Snapchat know that you're serious about deactivating your existing account. At this stage, your Snapchat account will be deactivated. Keep in mind though that Snapchat offers a window period where you can change your mind. If within the next 30 days you decide that you want your account back, simply log in with your details and your account will be restored. However, if you do not log back in during this time frame, your account will be permanently deleted, including your data, snaps, and any associated content. And that's all there is to it. Through these few simple steps, your Snapchat account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember to back up any data you wish to save, as once the account is gone, your data will be too. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions about this process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.